So let's look at number 30. This time we have a sum of two cosines, and neither of these is a special angle on the unit circle. So we're going to use a sum to product identity for cosine plus cosine. And that identity is 2 cosine, and we add the angles and divide by 2. And then multiply times the cosine, and we subtract the angles and divide by 2. So we're going to put in our angles in this identity. So we'll be adding 5 pi over 12 and pi over 12, and then dividing that by 2. And that's times the cosine, and then we subtract 5 pi over 12 and 11 pi over 12. And divide by 2. So in here we have 6 pi over 12, and dividing by 2 is the same as multiplying by the reciprocal, so 1/2 cosine, and then 5 minus 1 is 4 pi over 12. And again, dividing by 2 is the same as multiplying by 1/2. So we'll keep reducing. 2 goes into 6 3 times, and 3 pi over 12 reduces to pi over 4. And then that's times the cosine. 2 goes into 4 2 times, 2 pi over 12 reduces to pi over 6. And those are both special angles on the unit circle. So cosine of pi over 4 is root 2 over 2, and the cosine of pi over 6 is root 3 over 2. Oh, whoops, don't want cosine. I just want times root 3 over 2. There we go. And then we're going to multiply. So here these 2's cancel. Root 2 times root 3 is root 6. And then we just have a 2 in the denominator. So we're going to check that answer by storing or comparing the decimals in the calculator. So our answer, root 6 divided by 2, we're going to compare that decimal to the original expression, which was the cosine of 5 pi over 12 plus the cosine of pi over 12, and we see that our decimals match.